the fourth part of the push notification. So in this part we are going to see how many different ways are there to send the actual notification to user device. Okay, let's do it. We have created another class naming as handle notification. So we will handle we will see the different methods of handling the notification. Okay, there are actually two ways through which we can target a user device or a particular user, we can say, to send the notification. The first one is token based and second is the topic based. Actually what happens is that we integrate the Firebase project in our uh, communicate with the Firebase project, and our admin server while sending the message, our admin server communicates with the Firebase server, and Firebase server communicates with our app. And while communicating, the medium or the way to identify the user is there are two ways, two major ways. The first one is the token based and the second is the topic based. So let's say the token based method first. To get the token the token helps to us to target the individual device of the user. While when we install the app, we get the device unique token that helps us to identify that user. So to get that token, we're gonna need this Firebase messaging package. In there, for the Android part, we have the get node token method, and this method gives us the actual token of the device. It is unique for every device, and uh, we get the token here, and we send this token to the backend server, our backend server, and which the backend developer use to target the specific user or specific user device, we can say. And this token is unique for every device, and this token is only gets updated if our app is restalled or the app is updated, or first when we install it. Normally in this scenario this token gets updated, or in the normal scenario it does not get updated. So this through this method we get a unique token for each device, to which we can communicate, we can through which we target a individual user. How we are going to target individual user, we are going to see that. First, not just note that we get the token which help us to identify or target a unique user. Okay, this is for the Android part. In the iOS, for the iOS, if you want to send the notification, get the device token. There is another method, get APNS token, that is not token, that is APNS token. For the iOS devices we get the APNS token, and for Android devices we get the token. We use the get token method of in both cases. If in Android cases the iOS token is null, and in iOS cases the Android token is null. So this is the first method through which we can target an individual user for sending notification, the token based method. And the second is the topic based method. The topic is that we generally topic is used for a group of to target the group of user, or generally to handle a situation where there are multiple people involved or multiple devices are involved. But we can also use this token based system to target the individual user. So what we need to do for that is we need to subscribe to a topic. The topic based for topic based subscription, topic based method, we need to subscribe the user to that particular topic, and so that we can target that particular user. I have created the method subscribe to topic, and just in here we need to call this line Firebase messaging dot subscribe to that particular topic. By default I have subscribed to a we need to subscribe a topic. So by default I have used the general topic, or you can use whatever name you feel comfortable with. So where we are here. Okay. The first method is the topic token based. The second is the topic based. Now for if we want to use the topic token based, we have the unique id. The token is always unique for each device, so there is not problem. But if you are using the topic based, you need to make a, and you want to target each individual user to send the notification, different notification. So in that case you have to make your or topic a unique topic for each user. How can you do that? Normally just you can do this like integrate username plus user id. You can concatenate the username and user id, uh, as a user id is always unique for any user. So there will not be a conflict. Or you can use the app name or user id, like on, or any either random combination which might be always be unique for each user. Okay. Generally the topic creation part is also better if it is handled from admin side or backend side, as if there is anything needed to be changed later, we can do that from there. Okay. We have the subscribes to topic method and token based method. We see the two methods for sending notification. uh, let's minimize the method. Let's go back. Okay. Now next part we'll see uh, how to send notification on different scenarios. Scenario means in the foreground, background, when the app is in the foreground, background, and when the app is terminated. Okay, that's it for this video. We're gonna see next video. Thank you.